some flowers in my yard that I use for my self-portrait work. I'm going to be doing some close-ups of these and some hypsomatic of these flowers that I use on a regular basis. It's really, everything is just blooming. Yep, car goes by, and I'm on my way to take a bike ride, but I thought I'd show some of the flowers that are the spirea, which is not in full moon anymore, coming down. Columbine, more spirea, and just in the last couple days, the iris. These little small iris are blooming, and I can't remember the name of this one that I showed in the beginning, and of course the roses. I'm getting some really nice roses in the front yard. I think I'll leave it at that. See those incredible old-fashioned roses? They smell so good. Okay, pretty soon I'm going to have, oh, here's another columbine. That's so sweet. I'm going to have snapdragons. This is some kind of lily alum. Okie dokie. Flowering time.